Yo, you trying to buy some precious stones?
How much?
I got 100 of them. I'll sell you the right to buy them next Friday for $1 each. But you got to pay me 50 bucks right now for that right.
A few moments later.
So if I pay you $50 today, and then next week I can buy them for $1 each if I want?
Exactly. Even if they're worth more than $1 next Friday. You can still buy them for $1 and flip them for a profit. But if they're worth less than $1, I keep your 50 bucks and I keep the stones.
So I'm basically paying you $50 just for the chance to buy them cheap later? Yep. That 50 is mine either way. I already own the stones, so I'm just selling you the option to take them off my hands at $1 each. Sounds like a deal. See you next Friday.
Didn't you just buy those for like 40 cents each last week?
Sure did, my friend. Sure did.